Going live. We there? Hey, we're there, guys. Let's see. Can you guys see my face? Cool. Coolness, since we are there. Okay. Hope you guys can hear me. Hello again as we come to another exciting night of NFPs, what will determine the market next this month, actually. The last month of the year, and we're all expecting, well, at least I'm expecting a year-end rally, but everything is going to be defined tonight by this NFP, right? And markets were certainly given a jolt, okay, that this is something that's really big. Maybe it's going to turn around since Powell has already agreed to basically reduce the pace of interest rates. Basically, it's going to be 50 basis points now. So this is something that is very good, especially for the markets. Also good for currencies. Those of you that are going basically shorting the USD, right? So it's good for shorting the USD, not necessarily for buying the USD. So DXY has taken a tumbling. Okay, let's go and see what this is all about now. One moment. I'll change the screen here. Maybe you can see the screen here. What in the world is happening here? So here's Twitter. I'm just going to see what the SPX is doing. There it is, 4068. Okay, what's the euro doing now? Well, you should see the DXY, okay, euro is there. Okay. 530, that's not bad. Gold. Almost 1008. Wait a minute. I want to see the NASDAQ. Okay, I don't want to see the DAX, guys. I want to see the NASDAQ. Let's go and see what the NASDAQ is doing, okay? I'm just going to go here. And we're going to put this against the NASDAQ. Let's see, gold. Hey, what do I have gold here? I need to have this, right? I need to have NASDAQ here. NASDAQ, NAS 100. What's that? Was that? Did I have skilling there? Probably did have skilling there. There it is. So I'm just going to put it there. Ooh, look at the NAS there. Look at the NAS there, okay? It's a 4-hour chart. That's good. So that's how it looks before it comes out of it. And let's see the DXY now. Where is my DXY? I like to see the US dollar index. What's happening with the US dollar index now? Very crucial. Of course, a US dollar index going down is good for risk assets like TradFi and also Web3, cryptos and all stuff, right? Because cryptos is really the most speculative of them all. Yeah, I'm going to see euro here. Why not? Why not? Just see euro here, okay? I was going to go ahead and see the euro there. What's up with the euro, guys? What's up with the euro? And I want to see this on really. I'm just going to go out and check that out. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to see that. Okay, where is this going? I'm put it on the normal candle now. I have it here, right? Yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on the normal candlesticks now. And we're up to this. And let's see what's happening on the NASDAQ now. So NASDAQ clearly has hit resistance. This bar was really caused by what? That big bar after Powell gave the speech on Thursday. Well, let's send markets up. made me very comfortable money. Imagine just after I had withdrawn $1,500, I have now another like 2,500. Wait a minute. Was it 2,000, 1,009? I don't know. Another $2,000 to withdraw. So this is great. So clearly there is strong resistance here. And let's see what it does. And yeah, we're going to this. What we need to do is just basically draw the line here. And let's see this. See, there's a clear resistance there that it really has to break. And we're going to change this to the 4-hour now. Okay. So let's see what's happening now. What is the expectation there? That's clear. And normally after news, what you really want to do after news is very simple. I just want to wait for the news to happen first. And you can change it to the 5-minute, right? But never mind, let's look at this. Yeah, I probably should change this also to the 4-hour chart. So let me adjust that first. Let's see that. I'm just going to adjust it. Yeah, 1 hour is fine too. Yeah, that's fine. So this was the big bar on Thursday, the Powell bar. And of course, after it gets extended here, it really goes like that. So I'm just going to see what's happening in the what happened in the Asian session today. So I'm just going to put in sessions because I really want to know Asian high and Asian low. Put that there. Which one is the best, guys? Is this the sessions? Yeah, colored. Okay, fine. Color it. Hey, how come I don't have anything here? Yeah, okay, they colored it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Is that the Asian session? Yeah, so that's Asian high. Look at that. But it doesn't mean anything today because everything will change after the non-farm payroll. Okay, so let's see what's up today. As we come there, non-farm expected 200K. Let's see what we hit at. So previous was 261, unemployment rate 3.7. Of course, if this is worse than expected, that means non-farm employment change. Yeah, goes down. And it's better, right? And unemployment rate goes up. It's better. You got to remember in this current thing, bad news is good news. Hey, hello guys. Bad news is good news. I'm going to show you some more things, okay? As we're gearing up for the year-end rally. But what's going to happen now? And if you want to know what's going to happen, you better come to my event next weekend, or you can come on Sunday. But Sunday is going to be on Malay, so those of you that are in the IPO market should be excited now because I didn't expect it. Anwar is making himself the finance minister. Okay. I guess he's the best guy, right? Because he was once the, what? He was kind of like the best finance minister in Asia. Okay, there we are, guys. Let's see where we are. So let's see. Whoa, it's down. It is down. Look at that. Look, whoa. Well, luckily I sold this. Man, what'd you go down for? What's the euro now? Yeah, euro has also gone down. Oh, man, I was expecting this to go up. Okay. I wanted to come in and take advantage of it, right? But let's see that NAS is also down. Ooh, that's a big down. 200 points. Yeah, tanking. So you usually don't do anything the first 5 minutes. Let's change this to a 5-minute chart. Yeah, came down, just busted that order block there. Whew. Just why for news, you kind of don't do anything, right? Let's see what happens now. Let's go into the 5 minutes. Let's see what happens in the 5 minutes. Whoa. And I'm sure BTC is also impacted on this. I'm going to show you. Oh, 4,000. Wow. Luckily, I went out yesterday, guys. 4083 or whatever it was, you know. Whoa, BTC and, oh, okay. So that hasn't been impacted a lot. Unlike the S&P 500, which is why I didn't do anything. I just sold it off. Whoa, okay, touch that. Touch the 200. But key is the 20 line here, okay? So everything's tanking. Now, numbers must have been so good for the NFP, okay? So US job market is really showing resilience, okay? Which is what we're really worried about this, okay? Let's see what the numbers are for the US housing market. This is not good. But I think that this gives us a chance to kind of go back in, right? So told you guys that I wanted to go back in the S&P, but I wasn't going to do anything. I just go because you got to wait until this thing happens. You can't really think or not think what's going to happen. You really don't know like what's happening now, guys. Average hourly earnings. Hey, give me the numbers, man. Whoa, actual 263. That's a big difference. That's a big difference. 3.7, 3.7. What's happening in Canada? Whoa, another blowout number. Another blowout number. Yeah. So so this is funny, right? So Powell said it's slowing down, but now the numbers come out as another, not that blowout, but still considered a blowout number. 264. 263 versus 200. That's big. That is big. Okay, that's big. Let's see what the euro is doing now. Whoa, it's tanking, man. It is tanking like mad. It's like 80 pips. Whoa! This is tanking, man. This is tanking. This is being brought down. Are we going to see that? Are we going to see back to this line here? Are we going to see it clear the supply line? Maybe. Maybe, guys. Maybe. NASDAQ. Let's see what happens now. Whoa! Look at that on the 5-minute. What's happening to the DAX? Now, DAX has no relationship with the US, but whoa! I don't even see it. I don't even see it. Whoa! Look at that. Blasting past every conceivable support or whatever you call it, okay? Whatever you call it, it changes to the hourly now. Whoa. Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. Back there, right? Back there, and yeah. So this is a problem that, whoa, look at that. Just got stopped out at resistance here. Past this major line. Whoa, we gotta. So the good thing about this is that, well, that's the 200, right? Yeah, that's the 200. The good thing about this is that you still have a chance to go in to prepare for the rally. Prepare for the rally. Or is the rally going to happen or not? So I kind of like this because I'm already out of the S&P. So it's like, okay, I'm out. I'm gone, guys. I'm gone. This is why sometimes you need to say, now it's time to say goodbye. I'm not going to keep things like this, okay? I don't even care if it goes up. So now I will probably look on how to get back in. That's how it is. Because this is a big number here. So let's see what happens tonight. What's key is tonight. But when you have a big bar like this, you just don't do anything and you just want to wait. Let's see the 5 minutes here. How are we here? Blasting through everything. So which is why I've always said, don't be too confident about all of this, okay? Nobody knows what's going to happen. So never be so overconfident of this. Look, it was in a very tight formation, and when it's in very tight formation, it tends to basically goes up or down, and this is no good, you know, because here is what I am worried about. I think we all know that the US is expecting a recession next year, but here's the thing. We know that if interest rates go up, what will happen is, what I'm worried about actually is housing, okay? Housing may go down. And of course, housing is such an important part of the economy that if housing goes down, people become very, very poor. Oh, yeah, we got big troubles, man. Look at that. This is the fastest housing slowdown on record, 2022. Look at that. When was 2008? I don't even see that. 2004, 2015, okay? Where's 2008? Was it this 2004 and then went to 2008? But look at that, 2022. That ain't good. That ain't good. So again, anything that's related to a slowdown is never good, okay? Slowdown in housing. So I'm just worried about the slowdown in housing. But this is good because this prepares us for the next rally. And of course, we can see here that, you know, the euro going down or whatever was already predicted by the pinch punch thing. Man, I should have just bought my put options. But I wanted to wait for this, so no regrets, okay? But I did say, right, that whatever happens, I'll probably buy a put option, but not now if it goes down like this. Of course, if the markets didn't go down like this, I would have comfortably bought a put option here and just wait. But now that it's down, I ain't gonna do anything. Tonight is a no thing night, guys. Just watch Ghana. Just watch Ghana versus Uruguay. Okay, you got better thing to do like watching Ghana versus Uruguay. Man, I love it when the DAX goes down here. This smells opportunity. But remember that in NFP DAX can go down and go back up again, can go back up and go back down again. Really depends on the report that comes out or post report. And this weekend, there's going to be a lot of reports. So what you see now may not be the real thing, but it'll only be next week. So this is what I want to just tell you guys about. So those of you can sign up for my this, and you can see if you want to come here and you want to really register. This is in Malay, but if you want to, I want to show you what you are. Anwar_Saham, okay? Sign up. We're going to go through what the stock market was under Anwar Ibrahim. For stocks under Anwar, right? You want to sign up here because you want to know this, okay? You want to know this, really? And you want to see it here, right? Because now we have the prediction. This is the Williams cycle forecast. What is the cycle forecast here for the year-end rally? That's what you want to know. Where is it going? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? When is it going to turn? Year-end rally, are we going to have one? And then you want to say when turn. What's going to happen here? Because this is not good news. Again, as I said, if they increase interest rates, housing may tank. And next year, remember, they already are expecting, at least the guys from JP Morgan are expecting earnings forecast down by 9%. This, guys, will retest, could retest this is low of 3491, but 35 in the first 6 months of 2023. So remember that, because earnings forecast is down 9% from an earlier forecast of 225. So remember that. But they say that the index could cobble up to 4,200 by year end. Well, it's around 4,000 now. And end of year target now is 4150, still at 4150. I've got numbers between 4125 and 4157. So that kind of stays there. Obviously, so the good news about this is that we do have a December rally. We still got ways to make money. I'm cool. I'm happy actually now. I'm so happy now because we got a way up here to make money. Okay, so that's cool. That's really, really cool here. That's the S&P. This is the NAS. Let's see what's happening to the NAS. Tanking, tanking, tanking. And the DAX. I'm so cool. When it does like this, man, it is time to make money on TradFi, okay? The good thing is that Bitcoin is holding. Sam Beckman-Fried appeared on television. Man, he probably had a lot of lawyers advising him because it was weird, right? It was weird. It was really weird. Let's see what's happening in crypto now. Cointelegraph.com. So if you want to know what's going to happen on the cycleness, you will attend next Saturday. I will leave the invitation in the Telegram groups once I have it. If you guys know the Malay language, you really want to be in on Sunday, okay? Because we're going to establish that. But next week, we're going to establish a lot of cycle analysis for a lot of assets, okay? Okay, Cardano. Oh, bear market. Crypto miners by hoarding ASIC devices. Wow. all in on the metaverse. Firefox developer Mozilla Hong Kong. Okay. Magic Eden NFT royalty enforcement tool. Cool. Nothing much. Oh, this is another hack. Anchor protocol hack. Ape staking debut in December. Why is that so? I don't know. If you have nothing to do, please move your this is a good thing, right? Because you can move your cryptos from the exchanges and just stake it, right? Why is this? Bottoming around, smaller recovery, but why? I thought staking was always good. Ape coin hodlers, yeah, because they're staking, right? You can probably long until second, they can just short it. Yeah. Correct, because when the news is out, you sell, right? Okay. I think that's fair, right? That's kind of fair here. Okay, that's kind of fair. That's kind of fair. So again, many things to look at, but again, guys, let's see what's happening next week. Okay, and then we're gonna go through this on Sunday anyway. So first week of December, don't know what's going to happen. Just wait until next week. I don't know what they're going to talk this weekend. Okay, but next week, what do we have? Is it light? Is it heavy? ISM. Okay, US. Nothing much. Aussie. Not much in the US. Okay, good. So we kind of have a clear run next week to recover or whatever until December 9th, PPI, a producer price index. Not really this. This is very important. University of Michigan consumer, this, right? Consumer sentiment is very, very key now. So again, I'm just looking at the euro now, you know. Oh, man. Hey, what's happening to gold? You guys want to see what's happening to gold, right? I know. You guys want here for gold, right? Oh, yeah. I did say that, right? That, hey, we need a slowdown in gold because we want to buy gold, right? You guys want to buy gold? We want to buy gold, right? We want to be gold bugs. Is gold giving us a chance to go in? Let me see. I'm just going to see this, okay? And we can probably look at the cycle analysis for gold. Not much. Well, gold hasn't changed a lot. Whoa, look at that. Went up right here, right? Yeah, so this is obviously the resistance here, this fib. Was that? Yeah, kind of a fib, right? 50% fib from the last thing. So it's good that I got these levels right. But look at that. Can you come down here just to help me go? Okay, we've been looking at gold for so long. You know, right? The options you had bought somewhere there, it's up 3 times. So again, this is what I said. TradFi is good, and yeah, this gives me the opportunity to go in. So those of you that know Malay will have a 1-week start as we see some of the cycles. Okay, I'm just going to go here and go 4 hours here so that I can see more of this. Yeah, okay. Can you come down here? And let's see the DXY. Of course, it's going up again, right? Here, yeah, this is going up again, but look at that. It is clearly on a downtrend, but it is really pushing up. Now let's see this. Let's go to the daily here. Let's see what the charts look like. Yeah, but look at that. Look at that. Lower highs, guys, lower highs, but trying to make it. Otherwise, it goes here. Strong support there. So yeah, we'll just wait for this out. What else is happening in the news? You probably see the news tonight, right? What else is happening here? And nothing much for next week, which is good until the end of next week. First day, but first day is not a lot. So at least next week, it seems like we have a clear run. And that's what I like. So we'll have a clear run at the SPX, which is good. Don't see the charts tonight, right? I'm not going to see the charts tonight. I'm going to wait things settle down. I'm not going to go in and just buy this. Although I must admit, it is attractive. I got to go out and eat. DXY, not interested. This, DAX, and all of that. Okay, guys, any questions? So again, next week's an exciting week as we prepare for the year end, plus next year. So the idea is, what is the year-end rally? What is the year-end rally? And one thing that I have brought my group in is basically I brought them into TradFi because things are so not attractive in crypto. It is a bear market. Crypto will come back, I'm sure of it. But now, at least we have a choice of TradFi, which is traditional finances, versus crypto. And while waiting for crypto to do this, we can always go into TradFi and then we go back into crypto. Because when the cycle comes back, crypto is actually the most right? It is the most promising asset of all. Now, having said that, I just want you to know that even for TradFi, we can make lots of money, but of course, we can never compare this to crypto. But now, at this situation, we have to ask ourselves, if you have a basket of money here, say you have money, right? Where do you put this money in? And this is where things like these are very important, okay? You got to know the cycles. What's going to happen here? Where are you going to put the money here? Are you going to put it in TradFi, which I've shown my group that you can get 100% returns or double your money? Or are you going to put it in crypto, where something that sucks just happens? Where it is susceptible to a blowout. Is there going to be a blowout? What if TradFi goes down? Well, crypto will go down. Is TradFi going to go down next year? Come next week on Saturday, I'll leave the thing. It'll be 9:30 to 2. Just like on Sunday, it'll be 9:30 to 2. The guys who know Malays will get it earlier. But of course, next week, we will go into more comprehensive. And we will do it from multiple types of this, right? We'll do it from multiple types of assets. Okay, guys, any questions? That's all I want to do today, but it's good. Again, I had an answer, right? This is something that you want to ask yourself. So think about it before we meet again next week. Do you want to put something that is going to double your money, or do you want to put it in crypto? Of course, you put it in fixed deposits here in Malaysia. I think you can get 4 to 6, right? 4 to 5%, but we can get around 100 from TradFi. Not as good as crypto. You know, we talk about crypto 10 times, right? I don't think so. Things are like too dangerous now. But, or do you want to put it in TradFi, which is 100, while doing nothing, getting 100% is pretty darn good, okay? Pretty darn good. It's up to you guys. So I'm like, okay, I'd rather double my money or the portfolio money that I'm going to put in crypto. And then when the time comes for crypto, then I just put it back into crypto rather than going here and getting all stressed. And then you know what? You lose your hair. You lose your hair. Are you willing to lose your hair? So those of you that know Malay, sign up, okay? You're going to get it early, but those of you that don't know Malay, don't worry. You get more the following week, okay? Because this Sunday is more about stocks, right? And, you know, I've been bullish all this while. I think I've been proven to be right? I want you to know my bias after this, okay? Am I still bullish? Well, come on Sunday, come on next Saturday, okay? Because this will determine things. Because I know a lot of you didn't really buy it when I said I was bullish, that we will rally, and we did, okay? We did, not trying to boast. I'm just stating a fact. But starting next year, I'm just going to tell you that, I don't know, come on Sunday, let's see. You know, we have a new prime minister. Is it enough? We'll see. We'll see. Come and look. Okay, guys, any more questions? So do you want to double or do you want to risk it? Up to you. Everything is up to you. Okay, I play by cycles. If the cycle is good in crypto, I put my money in cryptos. If the cycle is good in TradFi, I want to move my money into TradFi, but you got to know the cycle. Of course, in TradFi, if you are in TradFi, you got to know the cycle, right? Because crypto is easy, right? You put the money in the best altcoins and you just hodl, right? All the way to the moon. TradFi is different. You got to know the cycle here. If it's going up, you buy. If it's going down, you short. So TradFi really doesn't matter. You can go both ways, right? And this is something that I think that you guys need to address if you guys are going to become very successful things. So before we go, let's go look at what JP Morgan expects, right? Well, we saw that already, right? 9% and all that. And of course, the housing market now, I think, let's see what people say during the weekend. Although I am attracted to this and I have the means to do it, and we'll talk about the means to do it. If you are in TradFi, remember that you need the right means to do it. Do you have the right means to do it? Now you're curious, right? Do you have the right means to do it? Because if I use a different way and you use a different way, you might be stuck. Well, I'm doing okay. So I feel sorry for you. Do you have the means to do it? Okay, the means to do it. Okay, guys, any questions before I go? Ghana and Korea is at 11, right? Yeah, so I'm just going to do some work before Ghana and Korea, and be interesting to see where this thing comes up. But hey, I love this, guys. I love that this is down. I love that the DAX is down a lot. Whoa, this has come back. Whoa, this has come back very fast. I love that gold is down, although I want gold to go down some more. Come on, gold, give me here. Give it to me here. Because I see a solid line here of resistance being flipped. Okay, gold has to come here. I'll definitely be a buyer here and like that, right? So yeah, let's wait for gold. No rush now, guys. No rush now. And that NASDAQ has come down. I don't do the DXY. It's something for me. Spells opportunity, spells money. And I do have the means to do it. So I'm going to see you guys later, guys. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Who has questions? But the good thing is Bitcoin is like, yes, impacted, but not greatly, right? Not greatly, right? What else do they have to say here? I have to say anything here? Do you guys have to say anything more? I'm just going to go in and see if they have to say anything more here. So again, on Sunday, join me there. Let's see what they do. Anwar Saham. Cool. Probably nothing here, but yeah, just that numbers are too big. Yeah, look at that. I just can't believe it. Look at that. Hourly earnings. Like, hey, come on, man. It's up. Like, what's happening here? This is not a recession, guys. We need a recession, okay? A recession is so important for us to get a super bull run. But this guy is not helping. And that's why interest rates help us get a recession. So I want you guys to understand that, okay? You need to understand that. Having said that, guys, goodbye. And I will see you on Sunday for weekly crypto update. And then we'll have to decide next week. Let's see, where can we go in next week again to do this update? I'm just going to put here, okay? I don't want to go there. Probably on Friday, right? Man, because it's so clear next week. Oh my God. When do we get in for this TradFi update? Cash. I don't like that. GDP Wednesday. Oh my God. I got nothing where to go. Where do we go, guys? Unemployment claims. Do we go here on, well, we'll probably go on Thursday, maybe, because this is related to unemployment. The things related to unemployment, job market, things related basically to interest rates. You know, those are very good things, okay? Employment, interest rate, inflation, 3 good things for monetary policy. I just want to see what's happening there. Although it's orange, it should be red, you know? Or we go on Friday because we have core PPI. Maybe we go on Friday again, core PPI and this PPI, probably here. This is too late. If I had the choice, I want to go here, consumer sentiment. Because if consumer sentiment goes down, it goes down, right? But consumer sentiment seems to be good because Black Friday sales has again topped expectations. So I'm going to see you guys next week. Okay, guys. See you. Bye. End stream. See you.